Joey here. Do you ever have a pesky fire alarm system, smoke detector that just chirps and chirps and chirps and you can't seem to figure out what the deal is? It's probably the fact that you need to replace the battery in it. So you replace the battery like so. Shut up back there. Blow it out. Sometimes dust can get in it. That didn't seem to work. It's still chirping. It's waking the baby up. It's making your dog go nuts. I've come up with a very quick solution to smoke detectors that won't stop chirping. Watch here. That's how you stop chirping.